Hey everybody, welcome back. And look, I've placed my Sony Xperia 10 Mark 6 phone on my dash cam just because I can, because it's very light, and then I would like to test how good its stabilization mode is. Does it work as well as a dash cam? Will it work the best as a dash cam? Let's see. Well, as you can see, it's a little bit bouncy because of my vacuum handphone holder. So it's a bit swaying to the left and right. I'm not sure how it will end up as a video until I've edited it. Not like I'm going to edit it using an external stabilization apps, but I will leave it as it is so that this video will be honest.